Hello students, today we start new lecture on tricks and techniques of maths second indefinite integration. In this indefinite integration there are large number of types by which we can solve different examples. Now out of these today we take integration by method of partial fractions. You have already studied solved these examples by regular method. Now we solve these examples, few of the partial fraction examples by shortcut method. See, first example. One, integration of 1 upon x minus a into x minus b. Integration of 1 upon x minus a into x minus b. This example is solved by method of partial fraction. What is condition for method of partial fraction? First condition is degree of numerator less than degree of denominator. Second condition, denominator contains factors. Number of factors present in the denominator equal to number of partial fractions. Now we use shortcut method. For this shortcut method, first we find value of a and value of b. 1 upon x minus a into x minus b. 1 upon x minus a, x minus b. Put x equal to a. Put x equal to a. First put x equal to a. Then 1 upon a minus a 0. Neglect this term, delete this term. This term is neglected, this term is deleted. Now remaining term is x minus b. Put x equal to a. X equal to a minus b. A minus b. This is value of a. Now b. We have to find b. Now again 1 upon x minus a into x minus b. In this case put x equal to b. B minus b 0. Neglect this term. Therefore value of b is 1 upon b minus a. Now shortcut method is I equal to integration of a upon x minus a dx plus integration of b upon x minus b dx equal to answer a. What is value of a? Value of a is 1 upon a minus b upon x minus a dx. What is value of b? 1 upon b minus a upon x minus b. Now 1 upon a minus b is taken outside. Integration of 1 upon x minus a, log of x minus a, plus integration of 1 upon b minus a, constant, integration of log 1 upon x minus b, log of x minus b. This is the answer. Second example, integration of 3 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx. Now to find a, first we find a. To find a, they put x equal to 2, x upon 3 upon, you use different color, 3 upon, put x equal to 2, 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0, this is not used, remaining 2 minus 3 equal to a equal to 3 upon minus 1 equal to minus 3. B, to find b, again take x minus 2 into x minus 3. To find b, put x equal to 3, 3 minus 3, 3 upon 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 0 equal to, this term is neglected, 3 upon 1 equal to 3. Therefore a equal to 3 minus 3, b equal to 3. Therefore answer is integration of a into integration of 1 upon x minus first factor x minus 2 plus b into integration of 1 upon second factor x minus 3 dx equal to a minus 3 integration log of x minus 2, b 3 log of x minus 3 plus c. This is the answer. Third example, integration of 4x plus 3 upon x minus 3 into x minus 4 dx. Now we first find a. Formula is I equal to a into integration of dx upon x minus 3 plus b into integration of dx upon x minus 4. Now we first find a. To find a, put x equal to 3. Now a equal to x equal to 3 in this integrand. Put x equal to 3. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 plus 3 upon 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. Not taken. Neglect. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Equal to answer is 4 into 3 12. 12 plus 3 15 upon minus 1 minus 15. And b equal to again 4 into, to find b, put x equal to minus 4. Put x equal to 4. 4 into 4. 4 into 4 plus 3 upon 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 0. It is not taken. It is neglected. Why it is neglected? Because it is part of shortcut method. In shortcut method, 0, the term which contains 0 is neglected. 16 plus 3 19. 19 upon 1 19. Now we solve final answer. Integration a, what is value of a? Minus 15 into integration log of x minus 3. B, what is value of b? 19 into log of x minus 4. Now we take few more examples in order to have this method is perfect. Example number 4. Example 4. Integration of 4x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 2 dx. Now answer is a into integration of dx upon 2x minus 1 plus b into integration of dx upon 3x minus 2. Now we have to find a and b. A equal to, first we take 4x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 2. Now to find a, put 2x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2. Therefore a equal to 4 into 1 by 2, 2 plus 1 upon 2x minus 0, 0 is not taken, 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2 minus 2 equal to 3 upon 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 6. b equal to again 4x plus 1 upon 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 2 equal to, put, to find b, put 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3, 4 into 2 by 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 2 by 3 minus 1, and this is 0 not taken, equal to 8 upon 3, 8 plus 3 11, 11 upon 3 upon 4 upon 3 minus 1, 4 minus 3 1, 1 upon 3 equal to 11. Now answer is, therefore I equal to a into what is value of a? A value of a is minus 6. Minus 6 into integration of dx upon 2x minus 1 log of 2x minus 1 upon 2. b 11, value of b is 11, integration of dx upon 3x minus 2 log of 3x minus 2 upon 3 plus c. Therefore final answer is minus 3 log of 2x minus 1 plus 11 upon 3 log of 3x minus 2. Now in this way you can solve other examples of this type. Homework: integration of 1 upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. Second example, integration of 2x upon x minus 4 into x minus 2 dx. Third example, integration of x plus 3 upon x minus 2 into x minus 3. Fourth example, integration of 3x plus 7 upon x minus 3 into 2x minus 1. Try to solve these examples by this shortcut method. If you understand this topic, if you understand this shortcut method, if you solve example very fast within few seconds by using this method, then subscribe my channel for further notification of upcoming videos, and also press like button.